Good morning. It is time to watch first round at the Midwest Nationals in St. Louis. Let's do it. Also, my bedhead is fantastic, if you couldn't tell.
John Force for Peak, Antifreeze, Blue Death, Coolant, and Terry Haddock. That thing sounded like it zinged up a little bit there. The Priority Systems mechanical car. Terry getting a little extra help out there. Car looks great. We're going to be heading down to his neck of the woods next week. How big a deal would it be for him if he could go down there with a feather in his cap of having trailered at John Force here in round number one? Terry Haddock has sent some big dogs back to the trailer a few times throughout his career. He's always been the underdog, always worked with a very, very tight budget. He's built himself a pretty nice operation over there. And he has certainly become a more formidable foe here in the last couple of years. Now, if John Force goes out there and runs 388 or 389, Terry Haddock's not going to outrun him. And I'm not telling anything Terry wouldn't tell you. But if John Force goes out there and does what Robert Height did, that thing a minute ago, Terry Haddock can win the round. He's got to go out and run his own race. Danny Hood out in front of John Force, waving him forward, and they will do the final adjustment on the wheelie bar, which is not really as much of a wheelie bar as it is a adjustment on how hard it scrunches on the tire.
You can see my sticker on there. Cool.
And then a final adjustment, we turn him loose. Camaro on one side, Mustang on the other. John Force, the greatest of all time, and Terry Haddock looking for a monumental upset.
We got this.
Pulled them off before. Not today. 392, 326 miles an hour. That was going to be pretty tough to handle.
The funny car countdown conversation tends to focus on Robert Height and Ron Capps. Why do you feel like you're still in this?
Well, because I always feel like even on the day I lose it, I'm out. But, you know, I focus here, like going up here, I was more focused on this kid right here, Haddock, because than I was racing Don Perdome. Because bottom line, he's hungry, got new sponsor on here, Priority Systems, that shows he's hungry, he's chasing money, and he's driving it, and he never gives up. No matter how bad it gets, he never gives up. And that's the kind of guy that'll get you sooner or later, and not today, but I got away with it, so God bless him.
So what had happened was, on the run earlier today, actually yesterday, because I'm filming it a day late. Anyways, the cannon seal broke, and to be completely honest, I don't know how that works, so let's call Dad real quick and see if he can explain it better than I can.
So what are you trying to get figured out here?
I don't, Heather said that a cannon seal went bad, and that's why the funny car smoked the tires, and I don't understand what that means.
Okay, well, I'm going to explain it to you.
Okay.
So you know how you get your pickup?
Yep.
And then you push in the clutch?
Yep.
Your foot becomes the cannon.
Okay.
Okay? Your foot isn't strong enough to hold all those clutch levers back.
Okay.
So all the clutch levers stack up on the throwout bearing, which the cannon holds all those levers back. So when you step on the gas in your pickup and you ease up on the clutch and it starts to go,
Yeah.
well, if you let the clutch out too fast, what happens?
It stalls.
Okay? Well, when you got 11,000 horsepower and you let the clutch out too fast, it just smokes the tires.
Okay.
So basically what happened is when the seal inside there leaked, it's called a hydraulic cannon. So it literally meters the flow of hydraulic oil back to an accumulator to control the speed in which the clutch is applied.
Okay. That makes sense.
You drawing a picture?
I am totally drawing a picture. Sitting here editing this video so that it can be posted real quick, I completely forgot to film an outro. So much stuff is coming up over the next few weeks. We've got the Funny Car Chaos Finals this weekend. We have 3 days of solid Camaro work where I'm going to be getting stuff done. I'm really pushing to get that car done. I really want to run Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0 next year with it, if possible. And then we've got Palmer's Nitro Sideshow with the nostalgia car. And then we also have the Texas Fall National Stampede of Speed coming up. So it's going to be a very busy week. There's going to be like 2 weeks straight of everyday videos, so keep an eye out for that. Either tomorrow or the next day we're going to have the Seattle video that I filmed last week going up. I just haven't gotten a chance with all the racing stuff. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.